Hello guys, I'm back again. This is Euro USD on 1st of this month. Tomorrow is Friday and we'll be expecting NFP. So I want to use binary trading view for this analysis, but I have to first of all bring you here to show you this chart pattern. This is Hantech MT4 platform, and since the tools are not easy to access, that's why I want to use binary trading view to analyze the chart. But because of this binary trading view, we cannot see weekly time frame and monthly time frame. I said I should first of all show you here the chart pattern we have. So let's go there. And here this is binary trading view, the same pair, Euro USD. So as you can see, the chart is on a retracement. The market is on a retracement before this market springs to the upside before this retracement. So if you can see well, from this place to the top there, the whole swing was a sharp move to the upside, and it's like the retracement is almost over. So this movement is the retracement and this is the trend line for the retracement. So based on this, the market is suggested to be on a bullish trend, but this is a retracement for the bullish trend. So market cannot just go on one direction. It will go to the upside. When it's exhausted, it retraces to gain energy, then continue the movement. So I just try to adjust my trend lines more. Let's go further more to see what we can spot here. But let's see if we can find a this was the support that the market bounced on and reverse to the upside, reverse to the upside, reverse to the upside. So we are expecting, I think the retracement phase is over. Let's see if you can find some turning points of the market that will show that actually the market has the probability of returning here. So if you look at this from the past, you can see that this is a perfect turning point of the market. This is a perfect turning point. So there was a turning point here, there was another turning point here, another one here, and another one here. So we are not going to pay deaf ears to these areas. These are key areas, and market almost touches the same level. So this is one of the probabilities that the market might want to go up or might end the retracement here. So let's see what else can we spot from this area. Looking at this zone is a clear sign that market might find a support here, then spring to the upside again. So whatever you are doing, if you are supporting, if you are waiting for a buy, make sure your stop loss is below this zone, or else your stop loss will be hit. The market have the potentials of hitting this place before it goes. If you check it well, you can see that I'm just taking the red candlestick before the up. So whatever you are doing, whatever buying consideration you do not let your stop loss be inside this box. It should be below, or else it will be hit. If only the market want to end the retracement here and continue the upward movement. So let's use our fib to see. So we are going to fib the whole swing here, and see where the market is currently residing. So if you check well, you can see that the market tapping between 0.5 and 0.681 level, but I still have the potentials of coming into 0.618 level more, because there is a place that we have spotted there. I don't know, whatever you call it, either support or other block. So let's see if we can still find something at H1 level. Let me reset my chart and see. Okay, on this level I can still spot some areas of support, or areas that market has reacted mostly here. Let me see. Okay, I found one here, and I think there is one too at the top there. So let me spot it out. Here like this, here like this. Mind you, if market didn't break the trend line, don't go in for a buy. And if market comes back to the down, to the down zone that we have spotted at H4, you can pick your buy based on the confirmation of the candlesticks, or whatever entry model you use. You can pick your buy from the down there. So market has the potentials of coming back to the zone, and market have the potentials of breaking the trend line, rest on the current zone we just marked. And this one I just drew here can be our first TP or whatever it is, but market still have the potentials of going down to the first zone. Okay, this is 15 minutes. I'm just trying to spot something here. uh, this is I'm now looking for entries or the possible ways the market can move. I can see something here. The place has already been utilized that sponsored this three candlestick movement to the trend line. But in case of incasity, let me mark it out, and I'm going to change the line to the dotted line and change color to maybe my favorite, yellow or gold, whatever you call it. Okay, let's see the possible things that the market can do here. Maybe what we should be expecting. I think I'm not seeing the thing clearly. I have to go to the higher time frame, but let me see. So the market have the potentials of moving back here, go to the trend line, come back to the downside, and that would be a very perfect entry. Remember, we are doing this for news event. We are analyzing to see where the news is likely to go. Today is first and it's on Thursday. So, and to me, I can, for my predictions, I think the market will be bullish no matter what. It will align. It is going to align. I've gathered like three confluence, the fib retracement, another block, and a key returning point of the market. So let me go to 1 hour and look at things clear to see if I can actually spot uh, see the possibilities of the market movement. Okay, something like this. So in this case, if market has not validated the trend line, do not buy. Market still have the potentials of moving down. Market still have the potential, so it can do like this. Let's say you can expect something like this from the market, then the spring comes. This can be a possibility, and we can still have, mind you, if this trend line is not validated, like market has not broken out of it, do not expect this zone to hold. You can only expect the down zone to hold, because market has already been rejected from this zone 2 times. Or we can have something like this, then market falls back to this zone before the movement to the upside again. So depending on how market will, the volatility of the market will tell the movement, how fast the market will move, or how the market will react to the zone and how fast it will go. So we can still have something like this. We can expect something like this, something like this to the trend line, to the zone, then here, and boom, to the upside. So this is what I'm seeing. I can see rejection from the trend line currently. So this is what I think the outcome will be. Tomorrow is the news. Still have some hours, so let's see if we can actually, the market will actually align with our uh, analysis. So for me, I'll patiently wait for the market in the down zone, just as illustrated in the last. Oh God, it's not easy. Let me just spot my TPs. The first TP has been spotted here, but it's not clear. Let me change my background to black so that it will be more visible for everyone. Okay, yeah. So this is my first TP, and I think the downline here was used as 15 minutes in case of incasity. It's not needed here, and this will be my second TP. This is my first TP, this is my second TP, and of course the beginning of the retracement is my last TP, the grid level for only swing traders. No matter what, the market will get there, but it will take time. So the last one is for the swing traders. Let's see the outcome tomorrow, guys. I think this is the breakdown of USD, Euro USD, and let's see what the market does tomorrow. This is the outcome, guys. Thank you for watching.